New fridge. You are beautiful. You shine like a diamond. You make ice instantly. You are a genius. You are enormous and efficient. But you devour things completely. You make me bend down to you, almost in reverence it may seem. You are a hard taskmaster. You cavernous, monstrous machine. You are giving me back-breaking tasks. I am at times confused and at times concerned. Where's the butter? Where's the cheese? Did we finish the curry yesterday? Or is it lurking in some deep corner of your unfathomable depths? I scramble to seize. You have brought me to my knees. Now don't bring me to my dotage, you shiny, silent, efficient machine.